Today, I'll show you how to take a scrolling screenshot on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So a scrolling screenshot is basically a full page screenshot or a long page screenshot. And to do this, you have to ensure first you're on a scrollable page. So I'm going to open one like this one. And this, as you can see, is a scrollable page. And to take a scrolling screenshot, all you need to do is take a screenshot the normal way. You can either use the buttons, which is the power button and volume down combo. You can also use the shortcut up here, which is the screenshot button. But either way, simply take a screenshot like that. And you should see this option here with the arrows. So that's the one you want to tap. And it's going to take a scrolling screenshot up to the part that you want. So if you're satisfied, simply tap on done. And the scrolling screenshot is going to be taken, as you can see. So this is it. And that's basically how to do it. So let's try and take a screenshot with the buttons. As you can see, you still have the same option. Sorry about that. Tap on that. Then give it time to scroll up to the area that you want. And there you go. So the screenshots are going to be saved in the screenshots folder in the gallery app. So once you go to the gallery app, it should be the most recent photo taken. There you go. Here it is. That's a scrolling screenshot for you. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.